Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. My name is Rahul. I am a senior PPC executive at Softex. Today we are back with another educational video. Today we are going to discuss about structure or hierarchy of Google Ad account. This video is going to be very helpful for beginners, so let's get started. The structure of Google Ad campaigns is crucial for organizing, managing and optimizing your ads effectively. Let's see the breakdown of typical structures of Google Ad campaign. So the first point is account level. This is the highest level in the hierarchy and is associated with your unique email address, password or billing information. All campaigns, ad groups, ads and keywords fall under this account. The second one is campaign level. A campaign is used to organize your ad by goal or objective. For example, sales, leads and website traffic. Each campaign have its own budget, targeting setting and bid strategy. Campaigns determine the overall structure and focus for your ads. One Google Ad account can contain 10,000 campaigns including active and paused campaigns. Now next third point is ad group level. Within each campaign you can have multiple ad groups. Ad groups allow you to organize your ads by common theme such as product types or services. Each ad group contains a set of ads associated with keywords. Ad groups help refine targeting and improve ad relevance. One campaign can contain 10,000 ad groups. Now let's go with the fourth point, ads level. Ads are the actual content that users see. Each ad group can contain multiple ads and Google will rotate these to determine the best performing ones. Ads consist of headlines, descriptions, URLs and various extensions. For example, site link, call out, structure snippet, call extension, etc. There is a limit of 3 responsive search ads per ad group. If you have text that should appear in every ad, then you must pin the text. You can provide up to 15 headlines and 4 description for a single responsive search ad. Now let's go to the fifth point, keywords and targeting. Keywords are the terms or phrases that trigger your ad when user search for them. Each ad group contains a set of keywords that are relevant to the ads in that group. Now we have targeting option. This includes demographic targeting, device targeting and more. These settings can be applied at the campaigns or ad group level. Now let's dive into detailed breakdown of each level. So let's go with the account level. Billing information. All billing setting and payment method are managed here. Account access. Manage user success and permission. Campaigns level. We have to use the type of the campaigns based on our goals such as search, display, shopping, video or performance max. Budget. Set a daily budget for the campaigns come under the budget section. Now with the bidding strategy. Choose how you want to pay for click, impression, conversions, etc. For example, we have multiple bidding strategies: manual CPC, automated bidding strategies like target CPA, target ROS, maximize conversions, etc. Targeting setting. Define the geographical locations, language and other audience segment for your campaign. Ad scheduling. Set specific days and times for your ads to run. Campaign's goal. Specify the main objective of the campaigns like sale, leads or website traffic. Now let's go with the ad group level. Thematic organization. Group ads by similar theme, products or services. Bid adjustment. Set different bids for different ad groups based on the performance and priorities. Keywords matching option. Use keyword matching option like broad match, phrase match, exact match and also add negative keywords to control which searches triggered your ads. Now let's go with the ads level. In the ads level, we have ad variation. We can create multiple ad copies to test different messages and determine the most effective ones. Ad extension. Enhance your ads with additional information like phone number, additional site links, location details and more. Dynamic keyword insertion. We can use dynamic keyword insertion to automatically update ad text with the search terms that trigger the ads. Now I'm going to let you know about best practices of campaign structure. So the first thing is simplicity. Keep your campaign structure as simple as possible while still allowing for granular control and detailed reporting. Relevance. Ensure that ad group are tightly themed, making ads highly relevant to the keywords and improving quality score. Flexibility. Structure campaigns and ad groups to allow for easy adjustments and scaling the business. Performance tracking. Use the structure that makes it easy to track and analyze performance data for ongoing optimization. A well-organized campaign structure helps ensure that your ads are targeted effectively, budgets are managed properly, and performance can be optimized continuously. So I hope you find this video informative. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.